to talk about tidal energy. Tidal energy is produced by the gravitational pull of the Earth, Sun and the Moon, which causes the tides to rise and fall naturally. Introduction. Renewable sources of energy. Renewable energy is the energy that is produced from natural process and continuously replenished. Tidal power is a form of renewable energy that harnesses the kinetic and tidal energy. It is formed by the movement of tides and the seas and the intensity of the water from the rise and fall of the waves. How does tidal energy produce electricity? By using a river or a basin behind a barrage and then sending them through turbines in the barrier. After the tides fall outside the floodgate, this water is sent via a turbine that will generate electricity which will help coastline areas. So basically you can see more points here. How does tidal energy generate electricity? So advantages of tidal energy. Tidal energy is a continuous supply in night too, whereas solar energy does not produce in night. India has a long coastline which will be able to produce tidal energy, low maintenance and cost. It is predictable and can be used near sea areas. The disadvantages of tidal energy. It can be used only for the coastlines, not the inner cities, as it would be really hard to reach the electricity produced by tidal energy. It relies on proximity. It can harm the ecosystem as we damage the water. Here you can see an example which is used in the Northern Ireland. They have already started using this. References. And I wanted to also show that the new invention, tidal energy, can also be used in ships to generate electricity as they go for long sailings. Thank you.